Thirikari ni yaniriire ati ni iganire na maciaro maria maroneka kumana na mawatho maria marathie na mbere na kugathikirwa Kenya maguteithiriria kurigiriria gutamba kwa homa ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini. Ndumiriri iria erekereirio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta ikiongerera namba ya maundu maria makoretwo mubango-ini wa thirikari makunyihanyihia uritu wa thina uria uratigwo na thutha ni murimu uyu.
Fellow Kenyans, we are not out of the woods yet. This pandemic is still hurting for many of victims. So far, we have done well in responding to it, but we must remain extremely careful.
Thirikari cia kaunti igitanywo kwamukira ciringi bilioni 5 cia guteithiriria aria mari na mabataro matiganite, no kwambiriria riu no nginyagia magavana marutithanie wira na county commissioner gukinyiria muingi uteithio uria mari naguo.
I do not want to hear of needless delays or frustrations caused of well-designed appropriate measures that Kenyans in the civil and private sector have designed to assist their fellow citizens. We must expedite our ability to deliver this assistance to our people in the shortest possible time.
Na niguo gutigirira thirikari cia kaunti itinagia na ihĩngĩca iking'ethanĩra na mũrimũ ũyũ nĩrũkwamba kweheria mawatho na mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩhũthagĩrwo.
I am directing that county governments receive a 3-month waiver from the Kenya Medical Supply Agency requirement for the purchase of masks and PPEs to protect our citizens and healthcare workers from infection. This waiver applies to sourcing of these products locally.
President Ohoni arutite Mukana muhiu kuri maabithaa a thirikari aria mekunyitanira na muingi kwagarara watho.
You are meant to serve the people and to protect them, not to enable the selfish few to endanger the rest of Kenyans. If you are in charge of a police station or a county commissioner or a chief not doing your job, you must realize that there will be consequences.
Thirikari ni yambiririe mubango wa kuheana uteithio wa kiumia kuri andu aria matehotete guku Nairobi, uteithio uria uratanywo gutamburukiria Kenya angi kuringana na mabataro.
Today my administration has also released 8.5 billion shillings to the elderly and vulnerable individuals under the cash transfer program run by the Ministry of Labour for the months ahead. In addition, 500 million shillings, which were in arrears, have also been released to persons with severe disabilities.
Gukinyiria riu Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni thimite andu makiria ma 10,000 na riu mubango munene uria uri mbere ya thirikari ni guthima andu kwa wingi riri murimu uyu wambiririe kugwatanio kaunti-ini itiganite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.